Welcome back. This week we are doing a this or that hairstyle edition with a hairstyle that you can knock out in about 3 minutes or so. Let's get into it. To start off, I did an overnight braid just to give my hair some nice waves and texture. For this one, all you have to do is start off with a half-up bun. Make a little pocket to fit the bun through and then pull up. Fluff it out according to your liking, grab your clip of choice, and clip it into place. What I did is fluffed out those little harsh lines just to give it a more seamless look. If you're wanting to add bangs to your look, go ahead and style those as you normally would. And that is your first look. Second look, very similar. Start off with a half-up bun, except this time the bun is going down. Fluff out your hair according to your liking, grab your favorite clip and clip it into place. And that's it. What do you guys think? Do you prefer the bun up or down? Let me know in the comments.